So I'm getting the garage ready. You may be wondering what I'm doing, but I'm basically clearing out this whole side because I'm taking delivery of a mini ramp coming, like a mini half pipe. So basically this whole half of the garage is going to be a half pipe. All right guys, time for a little bit of a life update. So I haven't made any kind of style videos like this in a long time, just because, I don't know, I just haven't felt like making them. When I make videos on YouTube, I've pretty much strictly just been sticking to like the typical tutorial style, you know, strategy style videos that you guys like to see. But I noticed in one of my last polls, a lot of you guys seemed interested in what I've been up to, what's going on with my life. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to give you a little life update. Now before we go into that, I'm doing some projects in the garage. So what's actually going on today is I've got a brand new mini ramp coming, and I plan on building it in the garage right there. It's gonna take up the entire bay, 12-foot wide ramp, so that's gonna be fun. Shout out Keen Ramps. So I'm taking delivery of that today, and I have to get the entire garage ready for it. Well, let's work on that, and I'll catch you up on what's been going on. I8 needs a car wash. That is super dirty. That was a result of leaf blowing the garage, and there's just been tons of pollen and all kinds of other stuff here. I really don't know what we're gonna have room for. Still got the Grom. So yeah, I think my first order of business is to get this boat, put a cover on it, because I'm probably gonna have to put the boat outside while I put the half pipe together, because realistically the half pipe is gonna come to like this tire, just about. So I wanna give myself some room to actually put it together. So I want to be able to put everything right here. So I'm gonna get the cover on this. Hopefully then I can hook it up to the bends and get it pulled out of the garage. So used to doing this on water that now on land it's actually kind of harder for me than actually doing it in the water. All right, well, cover is mostly on, and I got these boxes moved that were here. Now it's just a matter of moving the cars around and pulling out this boat so we can make room. All right, look at all that room now. It's looking good. Got the boat. We're off to a good start. All right, so now you saw that whole process, and now you get why there's a boat behind me. But obviously, I am back home now, back home from Florida, which if you didn't already know, you probably already kind of gathered that from the whole scenery change behind me in the background. In my other videos, you saw my studio setup. So here's what's been going on. We came back from Florida, and when we came back, we actually sold our house that we were living in down there. So if you guys remember, we purchased a home down there. We used it for mixed use, part of the time rental property, like Airbnb style rental property, and then the other half of the time we lived down there when it got cold here. Now it's warming up, we decided to come back. So here's why we sold the house. What we're looking to do is we're looking to upgrade to something else. And we wanted to get out of the short-term rental community there and get into something that felt a little more permanent. Because when you're in a short-term rental community, you're constantly having new neighbors coming in, and people are there on vacation, and when it gets busy, that can get kind of annoying in the busy times of the year. Those of you guys who live down in Orlando area, you guys know what I'm talking about. We're looking for something a little more permanent down there, so we can actually spend most of the year down there. And we're looking for something that's more of like not allowed short-term rental, where it's just kind of, we can just chill there. Now obviously 2020 was a crazy year. We weren't even able to rent part of the year, but then things picked up like crazy. I think with the stimulus packages coming out, and then people were just ready for a vacation, things actually really picked up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for something more permanent down there. We may even decide to get another rental property, but like a bigger one where we can charge a lot more per night. and then have a situation where we're down there to actually manage it at our regular home, and then we can go over and manage the rental property. That's probably somewhere out in the future. First, we just really want to establish like a home base down there. So yeah, that's what's been up. So we're on the hunt for a new house down there, basically, in a more permanent situation. Not sure how soon that'll happen. We're not going to rush it. We really want to look for like the right opportunity. And yeah, we'll just see what happens with that. So anyways, I may document more of what's going on with this mini half pipe thing that comes. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm not really sure if I should continue to do vlog style videos like that on this channel, or if maybe I should start a new channel to do more vlog style videos, but I've just been busy with work, growing Dial Hawk, and I just haven't had a lot of time to upload YouTube videos of different tutorials and stuff, which is why I've decided to do a video like this today. If you want to see more of that, let me know. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for everyone who's been around for a long time. It's been such a long time now on YouTube, so I really appreciate it. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you think I should continue doing. If I should continue doing more videos like this. If you wouldn't mind smashing a like on it, I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, also subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon so that I can update you of my next video release. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll see you in another video. I'm Paul James. Peace out.